Hi, good evening everyone. Of course, this is Jack. Please subscribe to my channel. I've just had a big dinner. I'm taking a walk in the downtown of Shenzhen. Hope you guys can give me a like of this video. It's very authentic. Look ahead. There's some towers. Pretty tall, but we can't see them clearly through my cell phone. The Chinese flag, since the national holiday is coming days later, that is why the Chinese flag has been put up. Okay, that tower is pretty tall too. That logo looks like a me. Okay, let's go ahead by this way, and we will see more of this terrific city. By the way, maybe you have never and ever heard of this city called Shenzhen. Shenzhen actually is the number 3 city in China after Shanghai and Beijing. It's adjacent to Hong Kong. Yeah, the traffic is quite heavy right now. It's around 7 p.m. here. There's a hotel called Hilton Hotel. It's a 5-star one. Wow. Pretty tall. Yeah, simple, incredible, amazing. So the road is pretty wide. In the center of the road, there's a belt called green belt. You can see. So it separates the road into 2 parts, so the cars won't collide with each other in this way. Yeah, it's the same in every city of China. I think I've told you guys before, if you are a regular fan of mine, I think you know that already. Look ahead. There's a public bus stop. This bus stop is huge. Wow. Since it's next to the subway entrance, so that is why this bus stop is pretty big. People can sit down, take a seat here, and then wait for the bus. Okay, this city has been into being for 45 years already. 45 years anniversary of this big city. Which means 45 years ago, it was a fishing village here. Nobody liked it, but now it's the hot pot of this city. Oh, I'm sorry, it's the hot spot. Okay, not a hot pot. Hot pot is a type of food in China. Sometimes my English goes wrong. Hope you can understand it, as English is not my mother language. But I think you can understand me. Whenever I speak English, I try my best to utter each word accurately, as precise as possible. Yeah, I care about the pronunciation very much. some of my friends, foreign friends, international friends have told me, Jack, your English is perfect. Yeah. I'm always glad to hear it. So that is why I hope you can understand me, okay? Let's move ahead in this way. Wow. So I've made a video during the daytime. Now it's the evening time. You can compare with them. So you can know this city better after these two videos. There's a dog. Let's check the dog. Puppy. Hello. It's a white one. It's lovely. It looks like a princess, a female one, maybe. Very furry. It's a little hot, maybe. There's a lot of restaurants along this side, KFC included, and some convenient stores. So it's very easy to settle down in this kind of a city in China. You can buy everything online. You can buy your dinner, you can buy your snacks, you can buy your drinks online. Very convenient. Sometimes, if it is too convenient, you don't walk, you don't jog at all. Many youngsters, just stay indoors every day. It's no good. So everything has two edges. If it is too convenient, which makes us inactive physically, so there's a store, you can say, convenience store. Okay, let's move into that alley. So we have to see some different side of this city. And let's go to the residential compound, maybe. It's different from the main road. Oh, it's a village. The sharing bikes are not allowed to enter this village. Is that a village? Through your eyes, is that a village? I don't think this is a village. Let's go to this little alley. Wow. What kind of shops are there? Is there a massage parlor? Wow. Is it okay to live in this kind of place? Wow. It's my first time to come here, actually. I don't think I can enter it. It's a private abode, I think. Okay, this is the end of this little road, a little cute road. There's tremendous lights. They make this place very bright, very shining. Yeah, guys, I've told you before, in China it's absolutely safe. If you are an international friend, you can go anywhere. I mean, for the village, you can enter the village Even at the deep night, you can walk through it. Don't worry, okay? It's pretty safe. Let's go to that direction. So we have to see the crossroad people. It's lives here. Crossroads people. It's lives here. This guy is selling something. It's pretty nice. Most of them are the restaurants. It's a noodles restaurant. This one is a rice noodles restaurant. Beef and a soup. There's a hair salon. It's a drink shop. Wow. Everything's available here. It's a barbecue shop. Barbecue restaurant. So this is the real life in the big cities in China. I mean, not the rich guys, not the tycoons. The number of people live in this kind of so-called villages or residential compound. There's a fruit store. People are picking some fruit. Sweet potatoes. Okay guys, if you like this video, give me a like. Thank you so much for your help. I'm so appreciated to have your support here. Yeah, that is the end of this road. I don't think I'm going to walk further. Okay. Thank you very much. Thanks again, everyone. Bye bye, everyone. Bye bye.